When working with percentages, we must remember that a percentage is the same as a fraction, but this fraction always has a denominator of 100. As an example, we can use 45%. If I want to write 45% as a fraction, we use the denominator as 100, and our 45 goes on top. That's our numerator. If we know this, we can convert between fractions and percentages very easily. Let's take an example of 3/10. We have to think to ourselves, how can we change our denominator to 100? What times 10 will give us 100? 10 times 10. So let's do that. 10 times 10. But it's very important to remember that what we do at the bottom, we have to do at the top. 3 times 10 will give me 30. And 10 times 10 gives me 100. And there I have it. I have a denominator with 100. So now I can just write my percentage. 30 out of 100 will be 30%. Let's do another example. Let's take 3/5 as an example. There I have 3/5, and I need to change my denominator to 100 again. What can I do here? The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to times both the bottom and the top by 2. Let's times by 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and 5 times 2 is 10. This looks very similar to our previous example. We've got something over 10. To convert 10 to 100 is quite easy. Let's do that. We know we only have to times by 10. So let's times by 10. And 6 times 10 is going to be 60. 10 times 10 is 100. And there we have it. We've got a denominator with 100, so we know the numerator is our percentage, and that is 60%.